If you're looking for a place to explore and relax on, if you're trying to expand your horizon and make connections, Mainit is a place you simply cannot sleep on. Mainit is nestled in the municipality of Nabunturan, Davao de Oro. It's a natural wonder of scenic landscapes and house of hospitable people. Hi, my name is Sam Mutay Kamasin. Come along with me as I take you on a trip on my birthland. One of Nabunturan's most captivating locations is Mainit, a natural wonder that draws visitors seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. Many places in the Philippines have names derived from local terms or features, and mainit means hot in Filipino. But this doesn't mean that it's hot all year long in this place. If you're looking for a relaxing trip to a hot spring, Mainit has much of them, so come visit us. It's a bit of a trek, but the journey is well worth it. From Davao City, you can take a bus to Tagum City and then hop on a jeepney to Nabunturan. Once you reach Nabunturan, you can hire a motorcycle or habal-habal to take you to the hot spring. The ride itself is an adventure as you'll pass through scenic landscape and rural communities. The water in Mainit is naturally heated by geothermal activity and it's rich in minerals that are believed to have therapeutic properties. The hot spring is surrounded by lush greenery, creating a tranquil and serene atmosphere. The mineral-rich water of the hot spring is said to have numerous health benefits. It can relieve muscle pain, arthritis, and skin conditions. The heat can also improve blood circulation and promote relaxation. Many people who visited the hot spring for its therapeutic properties said that they sought relief from various ailments. But there are things to remember. There is a small entrance fee to the hot spring, and you must bring your swimwear, towel, and toiletries. You may also want to bring insect repellent and sunscreen. There are usually vendors selling food and drinks near the hot spring, but it's always a good idea to bring your own snacks and water. And lastly, please keep the area clean and pristine by disposing of your trash properly. Mainit Hot Spring is a must-visit destination for everyone looking for relaxing and rejuvenating experience. It's a place where you can connect with nature, enjoy the therapeutic benefits of hot spring, and escape the hustle and bustle of city life. So if you're ever in Davao de Oro, make sure to visit this natural wonder. You won't be disappointed. Mainit is not just soaking in hot pools. The surrounding area is also worth exploring. You can take a hike in the nearby forest, visit the cold creeks, rivers, waterfalls, or simply enjoy the peaceful ambience of the countryside. The area is also home to diverse flora and fauna, so nature lovers will have plenty to see. And if you're an animal lover, there will be some for yours to enjoy too. Mainit is home to various bird species. There are skibid, silvery kingfisher or kibid, pygmy swiftlet, white-eared brown dove or alimokon, common emerald dove or manatad, large-bellied crow or uwak, and Philippine kokal or kokok, and many more. In conclusion, Mainit Nabunturan Davao de Oro is more than just a hidden gem. It's a place of natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality. From its breathtaking hot springs to its lush landscapes, this destination offers both relaxation and adventure for locals and visitors alike. As we continue to explore and appreciate the wonders of our own backyards, let us also take responsibility in preserving its beauty for future generations. So whether you're looking for a serene escape or an exciting adventure, Mainit is a place worth discovering. Thank you so much for listening.